Driving down the highway far away, leaving all my busy days behind, heading to the ancient rainforest, searching for some peace inside my mind. Welcome to the world of Royal Belum, nature shining like a dream so true. Gentle breezes touch across my face, every little moment feels brand new. Put my worries down, let my heart slow down. Listen to the forest calling me, silent lake and endless trees. Now I finally can breathe. We ride across the peaceful lake so free, speeding through the forest wild and green. Mountains high and rivers running free, nature wakes the soul inside of me. Step by step we climb the mountain high, hear the little birds across the sky. Waterfalls are roaring through my heart, now I know my future's gonna start. I will rise, I will fly. Future is not just a dream in life. I'll move on, I'll stay strong and embrace this beautiful life. Walking slowly through the jungle trail, little streams are singing all around. Sunlight falling through the ancient trees, magic living in every sound. Finally we reach the hidden waterfall, power flowing deep into my soul. In that moment something came alive, giving me the strength to reach my goals. Life-breathing sun stalks in times with the foam, and something came alive. We ride across the peaceful lake so free, dreams are shining over me. Cross the mountains, cross the trees, nature says